Recording in progress.
దోశ పర్లేదు తీసుకున్నా. Okay, Andy. Good morning, everyone. Online students, can you hear my voice? So the last class was online on Wednesday. So let me repeat the class once. What has been happened for 5-10 minutes? Because offline students and attending online, comfort will not be there. We know that because suddenly unplanned will be there. Anyway, 2 days gap in between one class. No, why to come for that class? I took online. That's the reason. And let me concentrate on that program and let me repeat it. What has been happened on Wednesday class. So this is one Wednesday class that is on online. Right. Actually, because of requirement of real time, JDBC syllabus and service servlet syllabus we decreased and came. The reason behind that is, for clarity purpose, I'm speaking. This is Oracle certified professional for Java EE. EE means what now? Enterprise edition. In core Java, proper informations we never give. Here we write. Up to now, EE not started. Why means you are running the program with the main method. Main method available means that is not EE. That is SE, standard edition. It comes under core Java part. Core Java has one file concept. File disadvantage is database. That's all. Using database in core Java, you cannot do project. If you do project also, console input will be there. Console input is invalid. Web browser input is mandatory. Why I'm speaking that point means your target to become a EE engineer, enterprise edition engineer. Under that enterprise edition, if you want to go for EE, pre-requirement is servlet. What is the pre-requirement here now? Servlet. And pre-requirement is JSP or JSF, any one actually. Any one you have to take it, whether JSP or JSF. JSP means Java server page. JSF means Java server face. Page. You can take any one as a response of servlet. So pre-requirement is servlet and JSP. In this JDBC will not be there. You can observe it. In that syllabus, JDBC will not be there. You can see that. But your JavaScript will be there. Java developer, minimum, you should know HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Why they written JavaScript? HTML, CSS anyway copy paste only, no sir. Readily available in the internet world, everything since many years. HTML tags nobody can change. You can copy paste. CSS is a alignment. Whenever you want to make one good color, good alignment, you can go with the CSS. Whenever you want to make one page interactive, that is script. So script needs some logic. Java developer, if you want to become a script writer, you can dominate the script because already you're a Java developer. So pre-requirement is script. Sir, why you're showing this now? The reason our target is this. Nothing but services, web services, from their microservices. Our frameworks, Spring, it is mandatory. By sitting in this bridge course, Advanced Java is a bridge course. In this bridge course, you have to collect a few things. The first one is how to interact with database you have to collect. What kind of operations you can do on your database? Sir, I can run queries. What type of queries you can run? Sir, create query, insert query, retrieve query, update query, delete query. Whenever you want to insert through nested query, you can insert into more than one table. But that is an insert operation only, no? From your select query, you can get from multiple tables. That also select query only, no? So normal insert, normal select, you have been practiced. Sir, I know how to run some basic queries on your database product. Moreover, Java developer is database independent. You are not database dependent. Sir, I am learning Oracle. No, sir. I will join a company which is using Oracle only. Will not be there. You'll be joining a company based on Java, not based on database. So you are a database independent code writer. For student level, in education level, in training level, one database needed for the student. From university onwards, they kept Oracle. So all your training institutes by default they'll use Oracle. That's the reason. So anyway, you know how to interact with Oracle database by making 5 queries. How to collect the number of queries and run it procedure. Transaction management process. These are the basic things, practical things. Among this normal data I am inserting, normal data I am getting. There are some specific data, that is multimedia data. I must know how to insert one image, audio, video, animation, some files I want to work. So I took that sector as a Wednesday sector, I took it. So streams with database, I set. That's the sector I took. One session. The reason when you go for HTML trainer, you will design one form, take one image, you can load somewhere. In the background, what happens? Minimum knowledge needed for the student. For that, I took streams. Remaining concepts, according to the real-time scenario, like batch processing, connection pooling, metadata, row set. These 4 components, we are writing a theoretical notes. We are calling it as reading components, you can say. Further practical, no need to practice. Only theoretical components to speak in the interview point of view. These 4 components available. In the previous days, we used to spend some time on them. But after that, Spring came, it is doing batch processing. Spring came, it is doing transaction management. Spring came, it is doing connection pool. Everything Spring is doing. Why to waste the time here? So fastly, we are sending the sprint to frameworks. So that 4 components, we write it as in theoretical reading components, we write from JDBC, we write it. Before that, practical is stream, you have to work once. That also streams, we are going to work with web browser to server, server to database. That also loading images, getting images, loading resumes, getting resumes. That kind of work we do in servlet. For that, in the background, I want to know some methods, sir. For that, I took a streams with database. One title I taken. Let me repeat it. Why I shown this syllabus means servlet, JSP, from UI JavaScript, handle business logic means core Java. Logic means that only, calling method, passing, and so on. Some strongness in core. If you know that, you can travel in web services. You can travel. That only double E. So what is my plan for today and tomorrow, Friday and Saturday is, now I'll make a review on streams once the two methods available. I'll repeat for 10-15 minutes. After that, I had JDBC drivers. I'm going to discuss JDBC drivers for interview point of view, how to speak it. We are using thin driver only anyway. After that, reading components from JDBC, 4 components we take. Write the theoretical notes as how to speak on your JDBC interview. And we conclude JDBC, enter into servlet. All of you got this point, right? We are planning to enter into servlet. These 2 holidays, unexpected holidays. So because of 2 days, we are 2-3 days or 4 days delay. We are right. Now let me go forward. When I am introducing double I'll speak again. Still we are in SE only. How to identify you are in SE or double E means main method will be there. Main method is there means that is SE. SE means what now? Standard edition. Using standard edition, you cannot do a project according to real time. So double E not entered. So today's class is review on your last class. Streams with database. I took it. Streams with database. General meaning of stream means flow. Stream means flow. River stream means flow of water. Stream means flow. Understood this point or right? Where we need a flow, enter your ID. A12. Finish. It will come. It is not a flow, no. One single value. All of you got this point right. Suppose I'll ask my friend loader, go and get one bottle of water. He will get it. That is not a stream. Go and get 1,000 liters of water. Then it is stream. Then what he'll do? He will take one pipe and he'll go. He will link to 1,000 liters. He opens a pipe. Then flow will come. When the bulk data is there, when the huge data is there, that is called stream. Understood the point now? Where the bulk is there, that is called stream. Sir, where we can have a bulk? Only images, audios, videos, animations. Text also not multimedia data, but it supports text also. So this is called stream. Demo purpose, I took one image, I took some XYZ in my system, only one, my daughter photo is there, I took that photograph. XYZ.jpg, I took only one photograph, I kept it. So what is the size of this file? I took it as some 441 KB, I took it. 441 KB. So these many bytes, if we convert into 8 bits, so some lakhs will come. Now, if I put that lakhs data 0 1 0 1 0 1 will be going on, it's like a pipe only. I must connect one pipe, then 0 1 0 1 0 1 will come. Understood this fine now, right? When these lakhs of bits are coming, Java says that not don't do like this 0 1 0 1. How can you collect it? It should have one meaning. Let us take 8-bit, 8-bit, 8-bit. Let us take it. The flow of data in the form of 8-bit, 8-bit is known as byte stream because byte flow is going no 8-bit, 8-bit, 8-bit. Some meaning should be there, no? How can you take 0 1 0 1? Meaning will not be there. So Java says that I will support 2 streams to you. You can take byte, 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 byte. You can take. That's called 8-bit data flow, known as a byte stream. Or you can take 16-bit, 16-bit, 16-bit. You can take. It is known as what now? Character stream. Why they are calling it as character stream? Char size is 2 bytes, no? 16 bits means 2 bytes, no? It's called character stream. If any student asks us, sir, can I take 32-bit means support not there in Java. That support not, if anybody asks, can I take 32-bit? 32-bit means no, support not available to you. Java has two types of streams only. All of you understood this statement now? Right. So byte stream, character stream. Byte stream means in the form of 8 bits flow. The continuous flow of data in the form of 8 bits. 8 bits is known as byte stream. Other name is binary stream. Through byte stream means byte stream, what you can send means I can send image in the byte stream. I can send one audio file in the byte stream. That is called through byte stream. We can send all multimedia files, audio files, audio extensions are there no for you. All extensions, video, all extensions from your computer system, image, all extensions, animation, all extensions, text dot doc is there, dot txt is there, text, all extensions you can send. In real time scenario, we use byte only, we never use character because it has all support. Even when you go to Aadhaar center also, keep your fingerprint. That also input scan only, no? It is taking your fingerprint or not now? That also byte stream only. Understand? When you go to your metro, just now I came in the metro, swipe your card there. That also byte stream only. All of you got this? That's called byte stream. So byte stream supports all formats. All of you understood this statement? Because I took a program on byte stream only. I not took the program of character stream. Character stream means opposite. Not opposite, other form. 16 bits flow, we call it as a character stream. Character stream is the best support for text data, not preferable for audio, video, image, animation. Sir, not preferable means what? You can send it, no problem. Data loss may occur. Data means the image will not be original image. Some color will be decreased or expansion may happen. Something will happen. So clarity may not be there. So we are not sending any audio, video, image, animation through character stream. We'll send only text data. Suppose I want to use one application to read only text, then you can use character. Understood the statement, right? Okay, sir, I am sending byte stream to database. Why I drawn this diagram means, if I take one image, if I want to load the image to one file storage, if I want to load the image to file storage, this file storage has to support this stream. That only, core Java, IO streams and files. That only chapter. Educating a student what is stream, types of streams, how you can record the stream into file storage. That only Java, core Java chapter. Sir, I not covered, sir. It is I not completed, sir. I not attended means no problem. Because file storage with stream, according to real time, not available. No? According to real time scenario, it is not available. So need not worry about that unit. After files only database will come. Database mandatory. You should learn. Suppose one company will say upload the resume. You are uploading the resume, no? Understand? Suppose they'll ask you to upload your scanned documents. Your group one application, group two application, scan documents, they'll say. You have to scan it and upload it, no? Your images will be stored in the database or not now. So definitely database has to support your stream. That only I'm revealing. Whether from database trainer you learned your blob or club, I don't know. Your database trainer has to take the responsibility of giving training on multimedia data into database product. And based on your database version, some formats will be there. I cannot explain blob and club. I cannot say that. There are many data types available in the databases. So I took in a overall in a global form. I took two. What are they now? Blob and club. So revealing to a student, database also support to record multimedia data in the form of stream. I am educating one student. Up to now, you're recording normal data, no? Right? Name, roll number, phone number. Not only this, sir. I can record multimedia data also. I can record. Whenever I want to record multimedia data, directly multimedia data cannot be recorded. I should convert into stream. Whenever I want to convert into stream, there are two streams available in Java. You should know, no, sir. Theoretically, that only I written. All of you got this theoretical now? Right. From database side, that only I written SQL types. Structured query language types. That's the meaning. Means according to database side, you had a number data type, you had varchar. The same way you had blob and glob. These two you practice and go, need not worry. Because in your companies, whenever they use one new database, they'll give the specifications and they'll train it. Understood? Spend 2-3 days, training will be there. Suppose you joined one IBM client, you got one opportunity in IBM client. That IBM client will use DB2. Oracle not available. But you don't know DB2. DB2 training not available in Amirpet, no first. Your resume will be Oracle only. No, you will take it and because you must know one data type. That's all. One database you must know. Minimum. If you know minimum, he'll say, okay, your next project is going to be started where they are going to use DB2. So who are in that project team? They'll call all technical persons. They'll assign one training to you, 1 week or 4 days or 5 days. They'll assign it. So the trainer who comes there, he will speak about Oracle first. You all default database is Oracle. You will take the query like this and you will run it. So here it will be like this. There you will write your port number, service name like this. You have to write like this. He will explain it. Don't worry. Because all companies will not use Oracle, no? When he is explaining, you have to write it on the notes and you will send one document. You have to practice and go forward. So he will say, if example, these data types are there, means some expert will be there. He will say, this data type will take this kind of data type in this database, use this. Specifications will come, you need not worry. But in the interview point of view, they'll use Oracle. So I used global form as blob and glob. Blob stands for what now? Binary large object. Binary large object, unlimited. You can load the data to unlimited, which supports byte stream data. According to Java, it supports byte stream data. What is the other name of byte stream now? Binary stream. CLOP stands for what now? Character large objects, which supports what now? Character stream data. All of it clear, right? There I took a program. I revealed one point to you. Let me show that. This network some other mode because servlet is coming no anyway. Your web browser will come, web browser related HTTP protocol will come, protocol will have some format that all will reveal. This is network more different. So first case I took loading one image onto database product. So I created one file here. Sorry, table here, table with ID and B file. I took it. If anybody is using Oracle 21C or any other, sometimes if you select a star from stream tab 61, you cannot see that 0101. Sometimes you cannot see. But if you retrieve the data, data will come out. You can try it. If data is coming, you can leave it. No problem. Okay, right. Let me show that program and some FAQs are available in that program. I'll write that notes to speak in the interview. I'll speak it out. If your management is planning to start any spring batch, you can start it. They starts with spring core only. Introduction, it will take almost 6 sessions to 8 sessions. After that, spring core they will start. Core Java knowledge needed enough. By that 6 8 sessions to here, your servlet will be started. You can coordinate it. You can inquire for spring batch slowly. When is our next spring batch is coming, you can start inquiry from the management. So Oracle HTML is a second time, means second category point only, but our domain is Spring only. You are sitting here because of Spring only. Your target is next target is Spring only. You can inquire slowly and you can start it. No issue. Now look here. I took one stream program here. I took stream one. I taken. Right. Look here. We are taking one prepared statement. This is common anyway. I'm not drawing diagram. It's easy only. You can understand it. This is common where we have two parameter indexes. One is index one, index two. Under index one, I'm putting ID here. I'm reading ID. Enter the file path and file name means where your image is available. I'm putting into one file. So file class. Sir, what is this file class? Can I write the point on it? Right, right. Make it FAQ based on above program. Some questions. What is file? What is file input stream? I use some names, no? That names you have to speak in the interview. Define, define file class. Define file class. File class is there for us. See there. If I say define file, you'll say normal definition. I'm writing file class here. So file class is available for us. Java p java.io.file. File one class is there for us. This file class has some methods. Major method is length. Can you see length? Right. This length method has one power. Always I'll show this. Written in Java. Mail I open, no, Gmail I open. Major server coding is Java, major. Server side major code is Java. Of course, all technologies they'll use it. But major server coding is Java. Algorithms are C++ algorithms background. Front end is minimum script. So for motivation, I shown to you. Now Java is the major one, no? Right? Means Java components will be used. Suppose I want to compose one file here, compose one mail here. I'm composing one mail. Suppose I'll go with one. My name only I'll take it. If not, take. I'll take hi here. I want to send one image here. Can you see attached file here, all of you? Right. If you click on this, it will ask, where is your file? Yesterday's C drive, not C drive, D drive, some images. One file is available no for us. I selected one file. I can click on open. Here one size came. Can you see this? 441 KB. I am attaching. 441 KB. I am attaching. Sir, how this size is displayed means this method only. This method only used there. Whenever I selected a file now, file input stream. The class is what now? File input stream. When the file input stream coming, you must know the length also. Internally, this length method. So Java components only available. If I send it through server, it goes to the mail. Some other mail it goes. So I am sending now here also. Whatever you see here, many things are multimedia. If you are attaching one image or resume, they're all that components only. Finally, what is file now? File is a class from java.io package, which is used to find the properties of a file like length majorly, length, file exist or not, file path, file can readable, can writable. Like this, there are some methods available related to file. You can send it. Sorry, you can set it. Among this file, majorly we use exists. Exists return type is what now? Boolean. True or false. Because I used in the program to f dot exists. If it is true, file available. If not, file not available. Length I not used, I think. Whether I use or not, I cannot remember. Length method somewhere I used like this. Now make a statement. If anybody asks to file class, file class is from java.io package and which is used to find the properties of file like length, file exists or not exists, file exists or not, file path dot like this. Some properties if you want to know regarding file, we take the support of file class. So in our program, what we done here? So in our program, see there. So in our program, enter the file path and file name. I'm entering manually. In the real time, you never enter manually. You know the HTML you attended, no? Right. So you can choose one file or not now. For your option will be there. You can choose one location, you can choose it. C drive, D drive, U drive. Today, if not today, you can practice. HTML who completed, you can practice. Choose file. There one path will come. If we can take that path into server, automatically image will come inside. Understand? Once the image came to server, from there you can load to database. You know set binary stream. So I'm introducing your database side anyway. Now I took one file path and file name. I am passing parameter to file while object creation means object created. I'm keeping that path there. If the file path is available in the file object, I can check whether file is available or not. Means if anybody getting file, where is this? Their opposite will be there no file, invalid file path, something I given here. Sir, I am getting this. Whenever running a program, you're getting this means you are not selecting that file property. If you are not selecting the file properly, this answer will come. Means exist method is working no like this. Whenever you want to know the properties of file, we take the support of file class. The file is holding the file path and file name like this. So file F is equal to new file of file path and file name you are giving here. Next. Sir, in our program, we used define file input to stream. We used input to stream class. We used file input to stream class. In our yesterday's program or day before yesterday's program, we used one component known as file input stream. File input stream class is from java.io package and which is used to find the file, which is used to find the file, means searches the file. We are giving the file path and file name, it searches the file and opens means connects, linking. It will link it. Opens means it is a linking. Opening database means what? You are connecting database. That only. Here opens means connecting. That's the meaning. You are connecting to the file. That's the meaning. Whenever you want to connect something, one object needed. Remember the point. Scanner connected to console. Connection object connected to database. File, yesterday image, file, connected to file input stream. Everywhere one object will be there to interact with it. Object-oriented programmers know. All of you understood the statement what I made? Right. Your console is connected to scanner object. Database is connected to connection object. Yesterday image is connected to file input stream object. Connected to file input stream object. Your object is creating now. Opening the file, I said nothing but connecting the file. It searches the file. How it searches the file now? I am giving F as parameter. What is F now? File. File means what? File path. S dot next line, file path. Some D drive, E drive, images, XYZ dot. I given information, no? That file input stream constructor, that is. New file input stream is a constructor call. A constructor is a predefined constructor call. Predefined constructor will have a predefined logic. The logic will run. The logic is go to E drive and find their file available or not. If file available, interlink it. The meaning. So syntax, sorry, file input stream class is from java.io package, java.io package, and which is used to find the file and opens the file to read binary stream data. Binary stream data. Syntax is file input stream FIS is equal to new file input stream of F. Here F means this file path. Voice not coming up. Online friends, can you hear my voice? Say yes or no to me once. Can you hear my voice? Right. Here one method is there now. Set binary stream. Set string, set float, set int. The same way. Set binary string. Parameter index. Here set string you are taking from ID. Set binary stream you are taking from FIS. How much you are taking now? F dot length. This length method is crucial. So how much you are taking? Means I am taking some 442 KB or 441 KB I am taking. This is a point. So set binary stream, make it FAQ, define set binary stream. Define set binary stream. Define set binary stream. Set binary stream. Set binary stream method is used to set binary stream data to parameter index of prepared statement. Set binary stream method is used to set binary stream data to parameter index of prepared statement. Parameter index of prepared statement. Syntax. Some PS dot set binary stream of parameter index to the data is coming from FIS f dot length means how much data is coming. So syntax. First one is parameter index. Second one is location, source from where it is coming. Here length, size of a file coming. Right. So these are the 3 points from your first program. These are the points. So automatically execute update that will be right. In the second program also few things available here. So based on ID, we are running one query, execute query, select star from stream tab 61, where ID is equal to. I am giving a ID. So ps dot execute query. Developer visual. The data is available in the result set. The stream form is available in the result set. Now you have to convert that stream into byte array. In your core Java, data types are 4 types. Sorry, 2 types. What are they now? Primitive, non-primitive. Primitive 4 types. One is integer, one is float, one is character, one is boolean. If we take integer, 4 types: byte, short, int, long. Long means the biggest numeric value like phone number, credit card number, debit card number, and so on. Normal numeric data without a decimal point, we deal with it int. But where to use byte and short, clarity not there in the core Java. Generally, clarity will not be there. The other given the 2 types for streams actually. Byte is for byte string, short is for character stream. The two are for streams actually. Today, if byte data type not there, how byte array will come? Understood this point or not now? Suppose stream means Some 4 lakhs bits is there. How can I take 4 lakh bits? Some format is needed, no? 8 bit, 8 bit, 8 bit, I must take. How can I take 8 bit? First convert into 8 bit now. How will convert? You'll declare one byte array. Automatically, 4 lakhs will be converted into 8 bit, 8 bit, 8 bit, 8 will convert. That's called byte array. No, sir, I am taking character stream, convert into character array. Means what? Short. Short is a numeric form, no? Right. If we take one array as a short, 16 bit, 16 bit, 16 bit array will come. That only concept. You are either given byte and short for streams. Now you speak in the interview of your core Java. Why they given 4 in your integer data type? Then you must say, for long numbers, I'll use long. Means biggest numeric value, I'll use long. In normal numeric value, I'll use int. Byte and short, I'll use for streams, you must say. Java supports 2 types of streams. Byte I'll use for byte stream. Short I'll use for shorts. Sir, character stream. That's the point. If you ask how, then you explain this. Suppose if any database is there, if any image is coming, the data available in the result set, collect that data. I must definitely make it available in the form of 8 bits. So I'll take a byte array. Whatever you see, you explain that. Nothing is there. Interview and the practical interview is nothing, but what you observed, you say that. Character stream, how means I not worked with character stream, I worked with bytes. Say openly, frankly, what you done. That's all. Nobody knows all the things, but whatever you know, you must be leader of it. The only market says. If you know something, you must know completely. If you don't know something, say don't know. The reason, everybody is a learner. If I don't know today, can you give a guarantee? I will not learn for tomorrow. You cannot give a guarantee. That only market says. That only market is saying. And even your university distinction also 60% only. Sorry, 70% only. First class also 60% only. Means what? 40% subject not there, no? 40% subject not there also, you are first class only, no? Then why market will expect 100% from you? Understood? They will not expect 100% from you. Some 20 to 30% you must know. What you observe, you say that. Byte and short for streams. Normal int value, I'll go with int. Any biggest numeric data, I'll go with long. All of it clear? Right. Normal float data, I'll use float. Scientific calculations. Light traveling from sun to earth, calculate one formula, mean because this biggest value will come. Such values you must use double. Biggest scientific calculated values, we use double. Normal, we use float. Character, big, small, not there. Only single. That is char. Single character. Boolean, big, small, not there. Only two. True or false. Because category not available. All of you got the clarity? Whatever you see, speak like this. Now I want to convert into byte array. Whenever I want to convert into byte array, this get bytes method available in the blob. Available in the blob. See there. 1 minute. Java dot Java P Java dot SQL SQL dot blob. Can you see? Blob is one interface now. This blob has one method known as get bytes. Get bytes return type is what now? Byte. I want this method. Whenever I want this method, I must create object for blob. Whenever you want to create object for blob, I had a method known as get blob. That get blob method must be taken from where now? Result set. Now define get blob FAQ. Define get blob. Get blob method. Get blob method. Method is from java.sql.result set. Get blob method is from java.sql.result set. It is from result set. Get blob method is from java.sql.result set, and which is used to create, implementation object of java.sql.blob interface. Get blob method is from java.sql.result set, and which is used to create implementation object of blob interface. Blob is an interface. Blob interface. From day one, we are doing the same situations. No, methods are creating objects. Now, this blob object internally linked to stream column of result set. I written 2, no. So get blob of 2. Sir, why 2, sir? In the column number 2 only stream is there. Understood? I'm writing the notes because 1 or 2 questions you are expecting. Streams. Because early morning, one copy will be there. Good morning. That is stream only. No? Without streams, your application is not there. Andy. When you want to take one phone number also, they'll ask you to Aadhaar authentication, put your fingerprint, they'll say. Everywhere stream is common. Multimedia data are common. Multimedia data means background database will be there to store that data. To store that data related some components in JDBC, you should have a clarity. They'll ask questions. Understand this point? So minimum, everything, whatever you written in your program, minimum you must know. Sir, I took 2 here. Sir, why you took 2 here? In column number 2, stream is there. Suppose I had ID, I had a name, I had a designation, I had a photograph. Now in the 4th column or 5th column, what? ID, name, designation, 4. In 4th column, stream will be there, photograph. Then I must write what now? Get blob of 4. Now that result set, stream column, from there to blob object, one link is established. All of you got this point? Right, right. Make it second point. This being capital, blob object. Here blob means our interface, right? This blob object internally connected to stream column of result set. This blob object internally connected to stream column of result set. Internally connected to stream column of result set. Stream column of result set. Stream column of result set. So this is get blob method. Syntax blob. I took B, I think. R is not get blob of 2. Right. Under this, we had get bytes. Make it FAQ, get bytes. Define get bytes method. Get bytes method is from blob interface. Get bytes method is from blob interface and which is used to convert which is used to convert binary stream, nothing but byte stream, binary stream into byte array. Get bytes method is from blob interface and which is used to convert binary stream into byte array. Binary stream into byte array. Syntax. Byte sum by I will take always equal to b dot get bytes 1. Here b dot length I am converting into integer. Right. Now look here. Here doubt will come. Why you are converting this? Converting. First you must know what is this one. What is this one means? This blob connected to how many streams means only one stream. Blob object connected to how many stream columns? Only one. Always it will be one only. Now, get bytes method is from B. Get bytes method. Here one number. Why they given long means in real time, database table will have biggest table will be there. We don't know what number will be there for it. So they said they took a long, they took it. Length they are taking in the form of what now? Int. Why I converted into int here? The reason b dot length. B means blob. Blob also having one length method. Can you see length method here? This length method return type is what now? Long. But get bytes method need what now? Int. Long should be converted into int. Downcasting. Long to int. I am converting. That only this. All of you understood this? Up to here, you should understand it like this. When you come to server codes, so this is one image, no, sir. Some image. I converted into stream, no, sir. Stream. I recorded into database. Recorded into database. From this database, whatever the stream I am taking, means maybe using result set, using blob anyway, it is converting into one byte array. by one byte array where 8 bits, 8 bits, 8 bits to convert. 0, 1, 0, 1. 8 bits will be there. It divides into 8 bit, 8 bit and that. After converting into byte array now, sir, this is one byte array. Now, whatever the byte array data is there, I want to see, sir. Whenever you want to see, you must store into one file. You must store to one file. You must store to one file, then only you can see that image. If you store somewhere, you can see. No, sir. I want to put it onto web browser. You can see on the web browser also, no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Sir, I want to see on the web browser. Anyone? You can, no, already from your HTML, you can put one image there. It will do it. Sir, I can put to one browser and I can see, or I can store into one file and I can see. Yesterday's program I stored into file and I shown to you. Why? Web browser not entered, no, sir. HTML not entered, no, sir. Server not entered, no, sir. Because we are not showing on the web browser. So I must show the output for the student. No, what I done now, I recorded into file storage and given to you. All of you understood what I'm speaking, right? Actually, the data should go to where now? Web browser. Sir, I want to see my details available in my Facebook. Old photograph you loaded. You must see that, no? From the database, you must see it, no? Understood is fine. I want to see my all details of my Aadhaar. Some photographs will be displayed to you. Means they come from the database or not now. They'll come and shown to your web browser, so not storing in the permanent file. They must come to web browser. Sir, in the day before yesterday, web browser option not there, sir. Still in our course, web browser not enter, no, sir. Because of this, we recorded into file and shown to you. Then once it is byte is there, from there I must go to the file or I must go to the web browser. Then I said, where I must store it. Enter the file path and file name. Destination to store that image. User, give your destination to me. You want me to store this because the stream came and available with me in the form of byte array where I should store it. Give an information to me. Enter the file path and file name. Destination to store that image. He will enter. I want to see in C drive somewhere. I given one information. C drive images with what name you want to store me. With the name some PQR or something I given. ABC or XYZ. I'll forget it. Dot JPG I given. Now, whenever I want to store it in one destination folder, I given that information to file. Now you had a class known as what now? File output stream. In Java, whenever you want to create one new file output stream. Whenever you want to read from existing file input stream. So I used a file output stream. This file output stream class will take my information and create one new file. Onto that file, this data will be loaded. FOS dot write by. The byte array will be recorded into that file. Now write last one, file output stream. Define file output stream. File output stream class is from java.io package, and which is used to create a new file, which is used to create a new file, and opens means connects always, and opens opens the file to store binary stream data. File output stream class is from java.io package, and which is used to create a new file and opens the file to store binary stream data. File output stream means creating a new file. After creating a file, you must load the data. So your image is loaded. So syntax of file output stream. File output to stream FOS is equal to new file output stream of F. Then we use one method known as write. FOS dot write by. Our target is not recording into the file. Our target is recording into web browser. Recording into web browser. You record into one web browser. That's our target, right? For that target only, I given the background process I given. Foreground, I'll reveal it. Our target is what now? Taking one image from web browser, storing into database, again getting that image, putting onto web browser. If you know how to get the data and put onto web browser, HTML and CSS, you know already how to divide your page into partitions, divisions, frames, or something you will do. Somewhere you will set it out. So point. All of you clear about this code? Right? Say yes or no to me. So these are all reading points, one time reading, and this practical again available with a servlet for you. So on that day, we take the data from the web browsers. So plan, okay, right? So this is a continuation of your Wednesday class. Wednesday time is there to record it, but clarity will not come. I felt it for offline students especially. Online students from day one they are in the online. No, they'll have one pace of understanding. I think I don't know whether they're understanding or not. If I move my hand like this at home, also you cannot see. Moreover, you observed me. I'll be standing. Have you observed me? Right. Even I'll run almost 6 to 7 minutes. I'll stand it. Few classes I'll sit because if I'm sitting, if I'm lazy, you will not take it. So at least to activate you, whatever you learn, you must learn perfectly. That's 1 or 2 or 3 or secondary. But that I feel it because sitting at home and doing like this also, for me, comfortness will not be there. So in between one holiday, why to come here? So I took that online. Today, two classes are there today, tomorrow. Tomorrow's class is this one you do a practical once. If you want to load any audio file, you can load it. You can try that also. It will be loaded. Don't take huge file. I want to load one movie, sir. Don't do that. One small video clip you take it because movie also you can load it, but JDBC no, some other tools will be there. Huge data will be stored. Some other forms also will come. No, sir, I want to record one image. Total movies are means sometimes it will not work. Take one small audio file, speak some audio file and save it and check it. Like this small files, you can work it. Our target is what? Web browser input to web browser out. That is our target. Background work over. Okay, right. What is tomorrow's class means? First explaining JDBC drivers, right? Type 1, type 2, type 3, type 4. Why you used type 4? Remaining 3, why you are not using? With a diagram and explanations. It takes 40 minutes time to explain that clearly how to speak in the interview. After that, some components like this theoretical FAQ questions are there. All I will write it and I'll close it. That's the plan. Great. Take a break. Our target is Monday, introduction to Servlet. That's the target. JDBC practical don't do. Over. That callable is there now. After that, stop the practical. Don't do it. Because JDBC practical, if you do also, project point of view, not there. Only you must know what they are. Again, you have to take Servlet immediately. Servlet, you have to do 2 weeks to 3 weeks practical and drop it and go to Spring again. You must not stop your journey because no, sir, I'll practice till core Java means core Java project not there. Leave it out. Only components you must practice and walk forward. Because I'll spend 1 year in the core Java also, you cannot do anything. Understand this point now? Because core Java is alphabetical. So 2-3 years I'll sit in the LKG sir to become a master in ABCD means when you learn grammar again. So you must keep on walking very fastly. Understand this point, right? Okay. Take a break. Tomorrow class is there. Venkatesh Maipati sir is available for offline, online. Only such cases when holidays back to back coming, I will not come. Right? Unless I'll come. Okay, right. Take a break. Thank you very much.
క్లాస్ 9 అంటే స్ప్రింగ్ 15 minutes స్టార్ట్ అవుతాం మార్నింగ్
Spring ever weekend.
బ్యాచ్ ఎన్ని డేస్ పడుతుంది కంప్లీట్
3 weeks time.
3 weeks
సార్ ఆఫ్లైన్
5 days.